Hello, my name is Dan, and I will present you a web-based tool for capturing and making architectural decisions. This tool solves the following problem. How can we help architects make better decisions? Typical examples of architectural decisions include which frameworks to use, which pattern to use, and so on. Such architectural decisions are hard to make and expensive to change, so there is room to help architects in their decision making. Few tools for architectural decisions are available. So we offer this web-based tool, which is a result of our research on improving architectural decisions. This tool is free, it has an open source license, it's validated in research and in practice, and it has more than 500 registered users. This tool helps capture and make architectural decisions at both individual and group level. So let's see it in action. Let's see how the tool can help an architect make a decision. The architect uses the wizard. Here have a choice of a JavaScript. Let's say it's about choosing a JavaScript MVC framework. Then let's indicate some alternatives, Angular and Ember, and we also add the ideal framework. And then we make some comparisons here. Backbone versus these. So Backbone is small size. These two are large size. We repeat these comparisons, and with Angular, like these. So Angular has a high learning curve compared to low learning curve. We add these, and large community versus small community would be the last concern that we have. So this is of course a simplified example. For now we use we assume they have roughly equal weights. Now let's rate each of these. And for Backbone it's a large community. For Angular, Angular also has a large community. Ember more of a small community, and ideally we want a large community. So after rating, we have something incomplete here. We want something small size with a low learning curve. So let's go to the next level. Now let's go to our we can also use a prioritization wizard. So what matters for us most? Say the low learning curve is really important. We don't really care about the large size. We save these. Then we can see the similarity between concerns, similarity between alternatives, and these are nicely summarized in a graphical manner here, where we can see that Backbone is the ideal alternative for this particular decision. Next I will show you what are the results of using the group decision making capabilities of the tool. So if we click on sessions, I will just select an old group decision making session. Here there were 4 decision makers. We had 3 iterations. Now it's closed. We see here the final grid with a decision from the group. You can also look at the diagram, at the dendrogram here, and in this case there was a decision was Django, and we can also see the results from previous iterations. You can see, for example, that in this iteration there were 2 new concerns proposed, and in this iteration we had quite a lot of divergences among decision makers, and these divergences were solved. The source code for this tool is available on GitHub. Here you can also see various statistics about it. On another website we can also see a summary about this open source project. But the bottom line is, this open source web-based tool helps architects capture and make architectural decisions. Thank you.